This will be a short video about how to use the Y equals screen, starting with pressing the Y equals button. All of the buttons at the top row for this TI-84 have to do with graphing. We're going to spend this video, we're going to do a video on each one of them. This video is on the Y equals. Anytime you want to graph something using this TI calculator, you have to get the equation in the form Y equals. So if you had a linear equation that said Y plus 3 equals 5x minus 9, you could not put that in until y has been isolated. So you would have to subtract 3 and get y equals 5x minus 12. All right, so now if I go to the calculator, I can choose any one of 10 Y equals. Now, different calculators will look a little different right here. I have the color version, so I can set a color for each one of the functions that I graph. All right, to type this into the Y equals, I'm going to type the left-hand side. So I will type a 5. Now, variable x. The variable key is right here. It's next door to alpha. It's below mode. And in the mode, in the setting that we're going to use it, we will always use x. You have to change some settings to get t or theta or n. When I press it, I get x. Then subtract a 12. All right, I have a linear equation in there. If I use one of the directional arrow keys, say I go down, maybe I want to put in variable x squared plus 7. All right, then maybe I want to put in the constant function y equals 8. I have 3 different functions in there to be graphed. Now, maybe I only want to look at one of them. One of the things I want to show you about the Y equals is take a look at the equal sign. When it becomes bolded, sometimes I refer to that as highlighting. When it becomes highlighted, that means it's active. To change a function from active to inactive, you use the arrow key till you're sitting on that and press enter. It works like a toggle switch, and now, although it hasn't deleted that, it has made it inactive. So I could go up here and I could go to the left till I'm blinking on the equal sign and push enter. If I change my mind and I want to turn one back on, I just scroll to it, I press enter. So you have to be sitting on the equal sign. So this is where you put in any kind of equations that you want graphed. The limitation is that this grapher will only graph functions. If you're not familiar with functions, so they haven't been discussed in class yet, then you can just say equations that can be in the form y equals. Those are our functions, and we will use it throughout college algebra. But that is the Y equals. We may or may not talk about these plot features at the top, but don't worry about them for right now. This was the Y equals. The second of the Y equals is called stat plot. I may or may not, if we need it, I'll make another video about that. Our next video, we will go to window. So I'm going to go ahead and stop this one. This is for the Y equals screen.